In Maintainer's assembly department, we have a variety of tasks to complete, and no 2 days are alike. We have electricians who wire the many pieces of equipment and lighting that are installed on our truck bodies. Our assemblers install welders, air compressors, generators, pumps, shelves, door handles, really any equipment that satisfies the customer's specific needs. Individuals with an interest in mechanical or electrical work can apply. Maintainer offers on-the-job training, so no prior experience is necessary. If you do have prior experience with electrical or hydraulic systems, please let us know on your application. Maintainer offers a wide variety of career paths. Check out the other position profiles at maintainerjobs.com.